Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Mistfall Hunter controller not working. So here's what you're gonna do. You want to open your Steam, go to your library, find your game, click on properties, go to controller, clear here. You wanna make sure that you have this either disabled or default or enabled. You want to try all three of these and see if that helps the issue. Now, if that doesn't help, you want to exit out of this, click on Steam here, click settings, go to controller, go to show advanced settings, and make sure here you have toggled on whichever controller you're using, PlayStation, Xbox, etc. So you want to toggle this on. If you have Xbox controller, you can also install the driver for it. Now, if this didn't help, the next thing you can try is go to your Bluetooth settings. If you're using a wireless controller, start your controller and make sure that it's connected to your PC. Now, when it's connected, you want to click here, expand it, and then remove it. And after you remove it from the list, the next thing you want to do is press select and home button on your controller. Click here, add a device now, click Bluetooth. DualSense controller for me, and then click done, and now should be back on the list and it should be able to work with the game. Now, if nothing else works, what you can always do is simply plug in the cable and the controller should be working, or you can launch the game and then plug in the controller and then it should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Mistfall Hunter controller not working. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.